Hello, this is Shritama Dasgupta. Welcome back to IV's 10 Days Visualization Internship Challenge. So, today we will be discussing about Challenge 7. So, we will be working with the same data set, that is retailers table and the sales table. So, coming to the question is we have to find the top performing franchise for each region. So, this is the visualization which we have created. So for creating this visual, we have made this measure called franchise ranking, which is equal to RANKX all retailer franchise name. So this franchise name column basically we have used in the table part, and this all is to remove any filter possible on this column. And then we have total sales based upon the ranking will be there. This is the same in this case. The third argument is also the same. And then we have descending. Descending means that is the one with the highest sales will be ranked 1, the one with the second highest sales will be ranked 2, and so on. Then we have dense. Dense, it is basically used to ensure that if there are any ties in the ranking, the next rank will not skip over the tied ranks. So for this purpose, we have used this dense. Now for the visual part, we have dropped region. We have first of all used the table, and in that we have dropped region, franchise name and sales value. So now the question is, how did we get the top one for each region? So for this we have used the filter. We have taken the field franchise ranking, and there we have given the filtering show items when the value is 1. So what it is doing is it is showing only those franchise name whose franchise ranking is 1. And in this way, basically we are getting the top franchise name for each region on the basis of sales value. So that was it for this challenge. Thank you and stay tuned for the next challenge.